Good evening. Yeah, good evening. I'm John Key. Actually, I'm Kennedy. Yeah, that's my name. Kennedy is my name, and I'm a member of Forsage. And I'm very grateful to Forsage because since I started around early March till now. I've not really gone that far, but at least Forsage has been a blessing to me. You get, I've gotten some good profits from Forsage, and I have actually used some of my profits to get some things that I know I needed urgently. So Forsage has actually helped and blessed me. And I would want everyone watching this video to make sure they join this platform. It's decentralized. You understand? It's not going to nothing like they are going to eat your money. It's trusted and secured. You understand? Forsage all the way.